Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video from ICP DAS USA. Today's video we're covering the ET-2255 Quick Start Guide. Here is the module as reference. For the first step in the setup, you'll want to connect the power and host PC. You'll want to disable or well configure your Windows and antivirus firewall. Then you can connect both the ET-2255 and your PC to the same sub-network or Ethernet switch. Then you can supply the power. Please refer to this diagram for the setup. Next, you'll want to verify the power LED indicator on the module is flashing. Please use the information provided here to check pin assignments and wiring notes. To wire the DI and DO for self-test, you'll want to connect the pin 17 to pin 18, then connect the external power 24 volt to pin 01 and pin 02. Then connect the external power GND to pin 20. Please refer to the diagram on the screen. For the Modbus address, please use the information from the following tables. To configure the network settings, you'll want to download the eSearch utility from our website, then run the eSearch utility. You'll want to then click the Search Service button and double-click the module once it pops up to configure the settings. On the screen here, you'll see the factory default settings for the ET-2255. Once that's complete, you'll want to wait a few seconds and then click Search Servers again to ensure that the module is working well with the new configuration. Once the module pops up, you'll want to click on it and then click the Web button to log into the web configuration pages. You can also enter the URL address of the ET-2255 in the address bar of the browser. Then you can enter the password. The default is admin and hit submit. The home page allows for a simple test to be performed to verify the digital I/O functionality. In the digital I/O section, click the DO0 button on or red. The corresponding DI becomes green for the DIO is on. Once you have completed this, you have successfully set up your module. If you have any more questions about this device setup or are interested in learning more about products we have to offer, please feel free to reach out to us via phone, email, or directly through our website. Our team would love to hear from you. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.